Good morning. Today we've got a unboxing of a new cold steel SRK. Came in last night. I left it for this morning. This is the San Mai version in the VG-10. I already own the carbon steel version, and it is a workhorse. Impossible to break. There we go. Another great purchase from SR Tobacco. Thanks, guys. And here we have the sheath. One of the best in the business. And here we have the knife itself. First impressions right out of the box. Just a lovely looking unit. Here you can see that San Mai about a ½ inch up from the edge of the blade. You see a line all the way along. That's the folded steel. That's a softer, tougher, less nickel rich steel throughout the entire blade, and a much harder along the edge, again for edge retention. So at first impression, feel, size, dimensions, weight, same as the original. Not quite a 90-degree on the spine for sparking, but it wouldn't take much at all. I think that'll spark. But still, just a beautiful addition. Been looking forward to putting this through its paces. There'll be another video once I can get out in the woods, probably this weekend, and I'll see what it can do. Well, have a good day, and stay safe, stay healthy. If you're at home, sorry. If you're at work, wash your hands. Have a good day.